Hello guys, magmumukbang natin ng ano. Ito si Bea Ray, tsaka si Janet Scott.
Hi guys, please subscribe.
Oh, kuha ka. Janet, nakuha ka.
Hey, it's your Uber driver. I am inside. You mean outside? Unfortunately, no.
Papatapon
This you? Yeah. When the load screen comes up, you see your reflection in the screen and start to question your life decisions.
Pag kayo po nagtatanong
I'll
kung
be holding in
nasa
my
po kami,
coffee
nasa
during class
buntag po
because I've
ako.
already used my 3 free trial costs before I start getting side eyes. Hippo swallows 2-year-old bird and spits him out alive. My bad,
Masarap
bro.
po ang
All good.
agriculture.
Babe, did you ever cheat on me? No, babe, I would never.